acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
Good morning everybody and welcome to our very first assembly. Such a shame we can't get together in the gym, but we just want to keep everybody safe for the time being, so we'll just record our assemblies. I want to thank everybody for the wonderful start to the school year. You've all been fantastic. I really want to thank all those organisers, Mrs Smith and her team of students who helped organise the Flying Start Celebration Day today. I was out there this afternoon watching what was going on and everyone was having such a terrific time. Can I especially thank those wellbeing leaders and Flying Start leaders who helped plan that day and then helped run today. The way you were managing the activities and the students and the way you were talking to them just made me feel really great about what you're doing. So I'm really proud of you. So thank you very much for that. The teachers have had a very big week. We've got a few people who are still affected with COVID. A few students have gone away as well, so that's going to happen for a little while yet. So I would encourage everybody to continue that testing twice a week to make sure that we can screen this and try and minimise the amount of spread around the school of COVID throughout the school. And we'll send more information about that soon. I also want to remind all the parents that we sent notification about a vaccination clinic at our school on Saturday week, and it's important that we get our children vaccinated. This is a great protection, not just for them, but for their friends, for their teachers, and for the whole community. So I really encourage you to book in for that vaccination and get that done as soon as you can. That would be wonderful. So now I just want to introduce our student leadership team for this year. We have 4 student leaders who've been appointed. There's a bit more we need to do in terms of appointing more student leaders, but we announced them at Assembly last year, but I think I'll reintroduce them today, and we're going to meet early next week to talk about your jobs and some roles and some things we need you to do. So first of all, our school captains, we have Ashy. Wave, Ashy. Say hi.
Hi.
So Ashy's our female school captain. We have Patrick.
Hi.
Patrick, who's our male school captain, so congratulations to Patrick on the role. We have Avani.
Hello.
And Ryan, who are our SRC chairs, so they'll be running the SRC, and I note the SRC has already organised something this year, so I saw some stuff about the Anzac Day parade, things that are happening, so congratulations on that. It's a wonderful group of student leaders. These are referred to as our student leaders. I really rely on them for a lot of things about the school. They represent all the great things about Lyndhurst Primary School, and I'm really proud to call them my student leaders for this year, so well done and congratulations to you all. So have a great week everybody. Enjoy next week. Stay safe, look after each other, and we'll see you again. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashley and I'm the school captain. Here's a little bit of information about me. I like astronomy, archery, chess, snakes and ferrets. I dislike opera music, birds and spiders. I aim to provide help to anyone who is having trouble with friends or someone who needs someone to talk to. Perhaps if you want to come and meet me and say hi or talk to me about something troubling you, I'm mostly at the Oval or the grades 5-6 portables. Before I let the other student leaders tell you a little bit about themselves, here's a very important reminder about uniform.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Patrick and I'm a school captain. I play basketball and football outside of school for fun. You can find me on the oval or back basketball court at lunch and snack. A reminder to all students and families about our school day. At 8:50 a.m. you will hear the first bell. This means that your classrooms are open for you to enter and unpack your bags. Your teacher might have set up a morning routine for you to follow. Music plays at 8:57 a.m. and students move into their classrooms so that learning can begin at 9 a.m. as soon as the bell rings. Recess is from 10:40 to 11:10 a.m. Lunchtime is from 12:50 to 1:50 p.m. All students are given ample time to eat their snack and lunch in the classroom prior to going outside. The school day ends at 3:30 p.m.
Hi, my name's Avani and I am an SLC chair. My hobbies include drawing, singing, and watching Netflix. At school, I'm normally at the Oval, Courtyard, or 5 and 6 portables. Here's a video from our sustainability team about the correct use of bins around the school.
Hi, I'm Georgia and I had the privilege of being one of your sustainability captains in 2021. A goal we can all have in 2022 is to have a sustainable lunchbox, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Instead of putting your snacks in a plastic bag or a plastic wrap, you can put them in containers you can wash and use again. And as you can see, I have put some cucumber, strawberries and grapes into a container. I have also put some popcorn in a container instead of bringing a small bag to school, which is better for the environment. And now that we all have to wear masks again, instead of putting them in a plastic bag, you can put it in a paper bag. I wish you all a sustainable 2022.
Good morning, everybody. Little Legends will start this week, and the first grade to do it will be 2G. I shall meet you in your classroom at the start of recess.
Hello, my name is Ryan Hunter and I'm the male SLC chairperson for 2022. Inside of school, I'm normally everywhere around the grounds at snack and lunch times because I play Tiggy a lot. If I'm not playing Tiggy though, I'm waiting for my friends. I'm either at the year 5 through 6 portables or at the school oval. Outside of school, I like to do trampolining and playing video games. We hope you've enjoyed hearing about your 2022 school leaders and will remember to wear the correct uniform, be at school on time, line up outside your classrooms after recess and lunch, and always put your rubbish in the correct bins. If you see any of us in the yard, come over and say hello. Have a great week. Please stay seated and wait for instructions from your teacher.